Hey interior designers and remodeling contractors, in this video today I'm going to burst the biggest myth that most of the people think while doing digital marketing or social media marketing for their interior design and their remodeling business. So without wasting a single second, let's get started. So my name is Arihant Dugar. I'm the founder and CEO of ASD Media, where we work with home improvement companies like interior designers, remodeling contractors, help them to get predictable, reliable and consistent projects and clients flow without depending on any third-party sites like Just Dial, Yelp, Groupon, or buying leads from Home Advisor. So in this video today, I'm going to burst the biggest myth that many interior designers, many remodeling contractor thinks. And that biggest myth is followers. Yes, that's the biggest myth. Many people going to disagree with my statement, but that's the reality, because I am in this industry from a very long period of time and I understand your feeling as well. Like, you want more followers, you want more likes, you want more comments on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your Pinterest. But trust me, that will not help you to grow your business. That will not help you to get more sales for your business. That will not help you to get high quality projects for your interior design and remodeling business. And that's the reality. Let me tell you why. I have the solid reason for you that you need to understand today. Let's take a random example. There is one interior designing page having 5,000 followers. They are getting 100 to 100 likes, some comments, but they have 5,000 followers. Okay, but that 5,000 followers is the property of Instagram. That is not your property. Are you getting my point? If you invested your time and money to growing your Instagram page to 5,000 followers, and tomorrow Instagram going to come in and tell you that there will be no organic reach for your page, your money, your time, your energy and your efforts are totally wasted, and they are in the graveyard, to be honest. You build 5,000 people's a following, but those 5,000 people are not your property. You don't own them. The control of those 5,000 people is in the hand of Instagram, in the hand of Facebook. So how are you going to own them? That's the most important thing. You should have their name, email address and phone number. These three details at least these three details of your followers. Let's say today you have 500 followers on your Instagram. How many people of you have actually name, email address and phone number of those 500 followers you have? Not even 15 or 20. I can guarantee you. That's the reality. Those 500 people are not your property until and unless they have tried to contact you, or they have filled any form to work with you, or at least they have given their name, email address and phone number. And once they give that, now they are your property. Simply, whenever someone creates their Instagram account, they give their name, email address, phone number and rest of the data that required to create an Instagram account, because that 500 people that you are following you are the property of Instagram, not yours. And they only become your property when you ask them to fill the form to become your lead. And that's where many interior designers go wrong. I have many clients who don't even have 100 followers and closing 3 to 5 extra projects every single month. The reason why they are doing is because they are focusing on lead generation, not increasing on followers. Because followers will not bring you money on the table in your business, guys. Trust me, that's the reality, designers and remodeling contractors. You need to understand it. You need to digest this real truth. And that's the real myth where most of the designers are living in right now, today in 2022 and beyond that. They are just trying to focusing on increasing their followers, but not trying to focusing on increase their lead generation strategies to get more leads. By just doing this one thing, like in your bio, create a good offer and write in your bio, click the link below to get 10% off on your next kitchen remodel. People going to click on that link, fill the form, give you that data, and then you contact them. Now they are your property. Now they become your lead. Many people just put their website link and don't have proper optimization on their Instagram and just try to getting into more followers. They increase their following. Let's say today you have 10,000 followers on Instagram. Hardly 500 to 1,000 people are watching your post. Hardly 50 to 60 likes you are getting. Is that really worth it? No. And if you put that same efforts in doing lead generation, running Facebook ads, Google ads, or whatever kind of paid traffic where you are directly hitting in front of your target audience and taking their data and closing them. That's where you grow your business. Followers won't bring you money on the table, guys. Only the lead, more appointments bring you more sales and help you to grow your revenue, help you to grow your business online. That's the reality. Get out of this myth like we have to build our brand, we want to have 20,000 followers. That all is bullshit. This will not going to help you. And if you are still buying leads from Just Dial, if you're still buying leads from Yelp, Home Advisor, Groupon, you are losing hell lot of money every single month. Now it's totally your choice what you want to do. If you want to keep continuing with the same thing that you are doing, only trying to increase your followers, only trying to increase your likes and comments and begging for people for that, or instead of shift your totally business to the automation and paid advertisement where you get highly quality leads every single day into your business and scale it. Let's say today you have 50,000 followers, example, on your Instagram page, and you are not getting a single inquiry every single day. You did something really wrong. Or if you have only 100 followers but you are getting inquiries every single day through your Instagram and Facebook, now you are doing something right and doing business way more better than those people who have 50,000 people to showcase, but in reality they are making no money. So I hope you find this video valuable. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I appreciate your valuable time that you given on this video. And if you are an interior designer and remodeling contractor and looking for someone who can help you to build a proper client acquisition system, that's where we can help you out with that. Simply, you can just book a one-on-one strategy session with me on a Zoom, or you can directly call on my number. All the details has been given below in the description box. I hope you find this video valuable. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more content and keep going on. Thank you so much and best of luck for the future.